this video, we're going to be covering FX Oracle AI bot, all the functionality and features of it. What we're going to do first is go through the PDF that you can download from the site. In the PDF, all the settings and functionality features are described. I'm going to go through that, and then what we'll do is we'll go to the MT4 platform and add our bot and go through some of the functionality on the platform itself. So first, let's go through the PDF. Right, you can read about us on the site as well as our CEO. So 3 steps to get FX Oracle. First, go to the site and register your account. Once you've registered your account, you can then go to the download section and download the FX Oracle bot. Please note that you will require a VPS to actually use the FX Oracle bot. We have a video under the instruction guide section, which goes through these different steps. You download the bot on the MT4 folder and then add it to the chart. So these are the different features and inputs that the bot has. We're going to go through each one briefly. You can read all of that in detail. So to activate your bot, you must use a valid username. So please use the same username that you use to register on our site. If you do not, it will give you an error. There are different modes that you can use this bot on. So the first one is FX Oracle, then FX Oracle AI, FX Oracle AI hands-free, FX Oracle AI hands-free user choice, and FX Executive. So these are the different choices that are there. Depending on the mode that you choose, the bot will give you different buttons to trade accordingly. So this is the lot size series. The bot will take a trade. As your trade goes into drawdowns at every 20 pips, it will take the next sequence in the lots series. You can add as many as you want, separated by a hash. The take profit. So this is the take profit target. As soon as a trade hits 12 pips, it will close that trade. You can change that. For FX Oracle hands-free, which means that you basically set the charts and it will automatically connect with our server, the dashboard, and will take the trades. You please leave the default settings of 12 pips, 20 pips on your step lots, and also X cycles, which we'll discuss. So please leave that default settings as is. The X cycles, this is where after 3, in this case, 3 profitable cycles, it will stop trading. So this is the default setting. You can change it accordingly. There's also other exit strategies, keep trading, as well as a profit target in terms of your account. So you can obviously change that accordingly. Your magic number, if you're going to use this on multiple charts, please make sure that you change the magic number for each of the charts. This is basically showing where on the charts your buttons will be displayed. And then we also have a reset feature. For the reset feature, if one has used FX Oracle bot on your computer and then you're going to go to a VPS, it won't work because it's linked to a computer. You will have to then reset it. When you reset, it will remove the registration linked to that account, and then the EA will be removed. You can reinstall the EA or add the EA back on the chart, and it will work again. Add the bot back on the chart and it will work again. These are some of the error messages that you're going to get if you have not added a valid username. Here you can read the different instructions to rectify that error. So if you have an invalid username, we put a username, proper username. You have not registered an account on the back end, so you need to obviously register an account. You haven't purchased a package, so you need to go to the back office and purchase a package, or the account is registered to another user. So in this way, different errors will show, and you can rectify those errors. If there is an error that you don't know what to do, you can obviously contact us on our Telegram group. So to register FX Oracle AI on your chart, you complete the inputs as we discussed. You click OK. So once it's on the chart, complete the inputs, click OK. It'll then tell you FX Oracle bot validating license and license details. You click OK. If everything's OK, it'll show you FX Oracle successful registered. And then depending on your settings, depending on your operation mode, you will get, for FX Oracle, these will be the buttons that you'll see. For FX Oracle AI, these will be the buttons. For hands-free, you'll have an option to close all the trades in case of an emergency, or you need to just manage those trades for whatever reason. So you'll see for the different operational modes, you get different buttons for that mode. Okay, and you can read about the details in this PDF. To read the dashboard and activate the FX Oracle bot manually, all you need is green for the trend, green for the entry. And if there are two entry signals, we need both green. Once you have all three, in this case green, you will activate the bot to go long, which means that, for example, if I'm using the dashboard, FX Oracle is specifically for your own strategy. You can activate trades. FX Oracle AI, this is if you're using it in conjunction with our dashboard. So all you're going to do is buy. In this case, you're going to buy. And then when you have an exit signal, which means it comes to green, then you're going to close off, right? Or if you buy and after 3 cycles, let's say the signal is still long, after 3 positive cycles, it will automatically stop and you don't need to do anything. And that's all we have in the PDF. I'm going to now go to the charts and show you how we activate our FX Oracle bot and also some of the functionality and features that are there. Thank you.